Alright, hey guys, Terrible Dev here. I've recorded this, my second time recording this video. It's the first time I recorded I didn't have audio. So, here's my GitHub if you want to follow. You can follow. Here's all the commands that I post. All the commands right here. So, yeah. Alright, let's get started. So, yeah. Alright, I already recorded this video and I had no audio. So, I'm making sure the audio's here. Okay, so here we're gonna bring in message embed, okay, and then a webhook client. Then equals require discord.js. Then I'm gonna do module.exports. So my name is suggestion. I'm gonna sync client message works. Okay, so this is where the command starts. If your command handler is different, this is where all the code starts. So I like deleting the user message because I don't need it. I literally don't need this message right here, so I just delete it, clean up. And then we're going to define webhook client equals new webhook client. So this takes in two params, an ID and a client. ID and a token, sorry. So the way you get this, you go in the channel you want it in. So for in this case, I'm going suggestions, integrations. So I guess I'll delete this and show you guys how to do it. So you just make a new one. YouTube webhook suggestions. Copy the URL, save it, and then as you can see, the URL brings in. A URL gives you two things. You probably can't see it, but I can see it. An ID that you put right there takes the first param, and then this is the token. So you copy this, and then you put that right there for the second param. Okay. So then now this is where the nitty gritty starts, like everything. So we're gonna set a filter. So const filter equals oops, not 0. m.author.id is equals to message.author.id. So right here we're saying we're only looking for the person who requested the command. We're checking if their ID is the same as the okay. And then I'm gonna define embed here. So const embed equals new message embed. So that set title. So I'm gonna say what it is your suggestion, and then dot set color. I guess we can do it red, so it's ff00. Yeah. Okay. And then message dot channel dot send embed. Okay. Okay. So then if you go on your Discord and you go on YouTube tutorials, and that's channel msuggestion. And then you can see it's not collecting messages because that's fine. Okay, so then we're gonna do a .then. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna say m. You can put you can put any word here, any letter, just optional. But in this case it's needed for this command because I want to edit the message. Okay. So I'm gonna say message.channel.await messages. Okay, filter. Oops, not file name. Filter. So we're putting in the filter right here, and then we're gonna say max. So the max amount of messages I want to collect is 1. The max time is 60,000 ms, which is equivalent to 1 minute. And then we're gonna say errors time. Okay, then we're gonna do a .then. Alright, and then we're gonna I guess you could say collected here. You could say whatever you want, but for the video this makes sense. Okay. And then we're gonna edit the embed. So m.edit. Okay, so we're using m right here, as we brought it right here. This is the message. Excuse me. So we're gonna say embed dot. So what do we want to change? We want to change the title. So dot set title. So this is where we already collected a message. So we're gonna say thanks for your suggestion. Okay, and then we're gonna do that set color to green. So hash 00 ff00. This is green. And then, okay, give me 1 sec. My mom just came. All right, guys, I'm back where I left off. So right here, where we're adding the message to from what is your suggestion to thanks for your suggestion, because we already collected the message right here in the den. Okay, so then now we're gonna edit the embed to make the webhook. Okay, to send the webhook. So we're gonna say embed dot set title new suggestion. Okay, and then we can do, I mean, we can make it all one line if you want. So we can do that set color. But what do I want to do? Do I want to do it like this or make it new lines? I guess I can make a new line so you guys can read it. So embed dot set color. We can set it to the same color. And then we can do embed dot set description. We're gonna say collected dot first dot content. Okay. Then we're gonna do the webhook client dot send. So this is where we send the message. So we're gonna say username collected dot first dot author dot username. So we're getting a username from the collected message. Okay. And then we're also going to set the avatar URL to be collected dot first dot author dot display avatar URL. We're going to set a comma here. Okay. Then embeds, we're going to set this to embed. Okay. Make sure you put a comma here. I don't think dynamic true works here, but I'm gonna add it myself just in case. I don't think it works here. I forget. Okay, and then we're gonna delete the message. So collected dot first dot delete. So we're gonna delete the collected message, and then we're gonna catch. So if there's an error, meaning this error right here, if it runs out of time, we're just gonna catch the error. And then we're just gonna send a user message dot channel dot send you took too long to submit my suggestion. Then you do dot then m equals m dot delete timeout. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back. I was watching the video and I realized like as soon as I was done the command, my audio cut out. Because I have a keybind that mutes my microphone, and yeah, and I forgot I clicked it. So I stopped literally right here, and then it cut out. So I'm gonna show you where it was at, because I'm gonna cut that footage out and replace it. So suggestion, and then we're gonna say LOL. Okay, and then. So yeah, if you wanted to react, let's say if you wanted to react how I did here, you can't do that with a webhook. I looked it up, I couldn't figure it out. I asked someone and they said you couldn't. So what you can do is on your message event, you're gonna look for every message in that channel. Okay. So we're right here, we're gonna do if message.channel.id equals and message.web, I think it's webhook. Can it be? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's right there, autofill. So we're gonna get that channel right here. So this channel right here, copy ID. Oops, copy ID. Okay, that channel right there. So we're gonna say if that. We're gonna await message.react, not reply, message.react. check. Oh wait. Message dot react x. All right. So yeah, this is how you add it. So then now let's test it out. So let's go on YouTube tutorials. Let's go suggestion. LOL. And then boom. And then people can react. You know. All right. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you didn't, dislike the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe.